Welcome to Standard 5, Unit 2, Term 3, The Cracked Coffee Cup, Part 2. Let's see what happened in the Part 2. In the Part 2, how was the Teddy's activity, and who are the guests, and what happened in the Part 2. At Part 1, Rani Auntie and her 2 years old son Anbu are coming from America. So the father told Kani to take Teddy for a walk. Take Teddy for a walk. So Kani said, "Okay, father." Sure, said Kani. After a few hours of nap means a small sleep, Kani's parents started preparing dinner for Rani Auntie. So Kani's mom took the new dinner plates and cups and spoons from the cupboards and cleaned them. So for the guest, they prepared the dinner and they took new dinner plates, cups, spoons. They are coming from America, so they gave new things. Kani took Teddy out for a walk. While crossing a provisional store at the end of the street, Teddy suddenly started running again. So, "Teddy, why are you running again?" asked Kani. Teddy saw someone, so Teddy started running. Kani ran with Teddy while holding his leash very tightly. Leash means the belt of the dog. So Kani ran with Teddy while holding his leash very tightly. So Kani hold the leash very tightly, but he run back through the Teddy. So Teddy running towards someone. Who's there? Let's see. So this time it was Amar. Who's Amar? The provisional shop owner who was standing outside the shop. So immediately Teddy saw the provisional shop owner Amar. So Teddy ran to him and would not stopping wagging his tail until Amar pet him. Until Amar pet the Teddy, did not stop the wagging his tail. There was a dog lying outside the shop. So there was one dog was lying outside the Amar's shop. Kani remembered how some people would throw stones at this dog. Yes, oftenly if we saw the street dog, we throw the stones on the dog, isn't it? Yes. So Kani thought that. Kani remembered how some people would throw stones at this dog. While she was thinking about it, Teddy started playing with that. So Kani was thinking that time, Teddy started playing with that street dog. Kani pet the other dog also. So Kani pet the other street dog also. After a few minutes, Teddy and Kani started walking into the next street. So they went to the next street for walking. Teddy started running again. Kani was very confused. Why it was running? Who is there? Don't know. Kani also running towards the Teddy. Oh no, Teddy, not again. Why are you running again? Who is it now? Said Kani. This time it was Mary. Who is Mary? She was a differently abled person who sells candles outside a church. Teddy saw one lady, Mary. She was a differently abled person. Differently abled person means you cannot walk. A person who is physically disabled. Okay, physically disabled, he cannot walk. So who sells candles outside a church. Teddy ran to her and would not stop wagging his tail until she pet him. So Mary also pet the Teddy. They continued walking. Teddy and Kani finally reached home and were ready to welcome guests. Kani's family had a great time with Rani Auntie and her son. So they had a great time and they enjoyed enjoyed a lot, and they gave nice dinner to them. And after a long day, they all went to sleep. They all together went to sleep. Okay. See, different abled. மாற்றுத்திறனாளி. So the person who is physically disabled. Okay. So Kani was sleeping and suddenly saw flashes of the broken coffee cup. Suddenly flashes means suddenly bright light or sudden burst of bright light. So suddenly he thinks something. What he thought? The broken coffee cup, left over food. So the broken coffee cup left over with the food. The street dog getting hit by stones in her dream. So in her dream, the street dogs were hit by the stones. Kani woke up very disturbed. Disturbed means it was very troubled to sleep. It disturbed Kani very much. She looked around. She drank water and went back to sleep because it was a night time. After a while, Kani saw flashes of Teddy playing with Mary, Muthu and Anbu. So again he got flashes. What flashes? Who are all pet the Teddy. And who are the persons Teddy playing with them? Who are the persons? First is Selvi, housekeeper. Then Muthu, garbage collected from every house. Then Amar, the provisional store owner. Provisional store owner. Then Mary, who sells candle outside the church. Then Anbu. Anbu was a 2-year-old boy, Rani and his son. So, suddenly he got a flash. Suddenly she got a flash of Teddy playing with Mary, Muthu and Anbu. Kani woke up again, but this time with tears filled in her eyes. Why tears filled in her eyes? She realized how Teddy was compassionate and how he loved everyone equally. Yes, as a human being, we could not love everyone as a same way, but as a dog, he loved everyone equally. He loved everyone and equally he showed his love to everyone. And at the moment, Kani decided that she will also treat everyone equally with love and respect. So at that moment, Kani decided to treat every person in equally and with love and respect. She hugged Teddy and kissed him. So she hugged the Teddy and kissed him. Teddy wagged his tail and both went back to sleep. So Teddy, after got hugged from the Kani, Teddy wagged his tail and went back to sleep. Kani narrated the entire dream to her parents. Kani's parents didn't say a word and remained very quiet. So because the dream was very precious, so Kani's parents didn't say any word to her, and they remained very quiet. The same day at 9 a.m., Teddy ran to the gate with his pillow. At the same day, Teddy ran to the gate at 9 a.m. with his pillow. Who's there? It was Selvi again. Selvi started doing her routine of cleaning dishes. So Selvi was a housekeeper. So his routine work was cleaning dishes. Kani walked into the kitchen to see a new coffee cup on the counter. So Kani walked into the kitchen and he see a new coffee cup on the counter. Kani smiled and walked back to the room with a renewed hope. So Kani's parents also realized what they made mistake. Okay, so they gave new cup to their Selvi, and Kani smiled and walked back to the room with a renewed hope. Renewed hope means to start freshly. They treat everyone with equal love and respect. So they learned from Teddy. Teddy took his pillow as a sign of welcoming them. Yes, Teddy took his pillow as a sign of welcoming them. So we treat everyone equally. We don't mistreat any juniors, and I always play with them. Okay, so thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Thank you.